Wow. So the first one was perhaps too much information here. Okay. If it can't walk away, decide whether the problem can be fixed or not. That's the headline. If it can't walk away, we may need to actually delete that. That doesn't make any sense. So this is created the first page of the checklist, which is we gives 4 responses. Save its current design, and then my designs. So created the first page. So we want the second page of the checklist, which will be this. We already have our head actually a 4-point. Should we stick with four page, just a single page checklist? Should we stick with that? Because if we stick with that, that already gives a lot of information, which we can then supplement with perhaps maybe the first email. So the first email may actually give some more information. Okay. So with this first, we can have the title on the first page, followed by that brief introduction. So in that case, we go pull in the page 1 of our giveaway, just this one. And then the title would be how to make good decisions after depression and anxiety have clouded your in here, which will allow me to actually bring in the first few. How to make a decision. Ouch. Save current design. So I can actually go in here and bring in step. Open another design. Where's a page? What I'm trying to do is copy this. Gone small again. Can put that there. It's not allowing me to bring it over. What we could do is make this page 1. Let's just delete that. Delete that. And then we'll take this stuff down. Let's pull down. Okay. Oops. This program is so finicky. Goodness gracious. Whoops. What has happened there? So really, the longest part of this project is in actually creating the PDF. So that's page 1 of the PDF. So I'm wondering whether what I'll do is, so that's page 1. Page 3. Let's open this one. You can delete. 3. So 3, 4. So we can bring this to 3. And this can be 4. And then this could be 6. I feel like I'm breaking my own rules of making it a minimum of 7. So got up to 4 here. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're just making it up to 8. Okay. Take time to think things through. And that's how we create the checklist. What's interesting is that the concept seems to just continue for going forward. So it almost feels like we're talking about the same thing. I don't have to write the new headline. So this is page 2. Save current design. So we got 1. I got 2. 3. Now we need 3. So you see, in this way, I've just taken you through the whole process of creating a lead magnet. So that would be 6, 7, 8. Whoops. 6, 7. So not only have we written an article, we've also created content for a lead page. We've created content for a lead magnet. We have produced the lead magnet itself, and we've shown you how to put it all together in a checklist using different tools. Okay. 6, put a star by the decision. Starting to feel a bit long through tooth. Usually by the time you get to 7 pointers, it's starting to feel. So we can use this as, rather than an 8, we can actually take it as the conclusion. So we've ended up with a 7-point checklist. Page 3. Same as correct design. And so we've done page 1. This is page 1. I've done page 2, page 3. A paragraph. Bring the paragraph to the floor bottom. Change it to page 1. Close it down. Push it down. So what we got here then is save current design. Alright, so we've got page 1. A checklist how to make good decisions after depression and anxiety have clouded your judgment. Actually, like this heading, this headline might actually work better for the headline. Okay, so let's download that. Let's save that. Look at the designs. So that's to download there. So once we finish downloading, the next thing we'll do is then we'll put it together into a checklist and download that. And all we'll have then is pull in the PDF creator. The actual creation of the PDF itself, you may choose to not do it by yourself. You may choose to actually source it out to some people on Fiverr, and there are quite a lot of good people who can do quite a lot of good PDF on Fiverr. Right. What I want is to open a PDF file. I want to create a new PDF. Let's create PDF from file. Nope. Create PDF. Combine files into a single PDF. That's the one I need. So what I do then is put in all the files. Checklist, page 1, checklist. Page 2, and checklist, page 3. Combine files. Whoops. And there you go. We've created our checklist with 7 points, all taken from the. And so we've created our lead magnet. We've created content for the lead magnet page. Now, what I usually use for the lead magnet page, I could create an opt-in page using Webflow, or use Opt-inly, because Opt-inly then allows me to use this content here to create my opt-in page. Now we want to stick with the headline of, where are we at? Want to stick with how to make good decisions after depression and anxiety have clouded your judgment. I really like that headline. I really like that headline. Decision making when you're depressed, how to make decisions even if you don't feel you can. I think this will come here. And that way we've created our opt-inly. We use opt-inly to create the opt-in page. So the opt-inly would have some designs that we can create from. So create a campaign, we want to build audience, and our title, we want to use a sort of like a pop-up, something that will pop up. So let's choose the pop-up. So I don't really like I don't like a lot of the templates here in opt-inly. I'm looking for a template that allows me to use email to collect emails. This one, phone number, email address, first name, name and email. Let's use this one. Customize the template. So this is what we want. We've got the content already. How to make good decisions after depression. That's the title. We can center it and actually make it bigger. Free checklist. Free checklist, how to make good decisions. Free checklist. So pre-headline, we want a pre-headline. Decision making when you're depressed. It's pre-headline. Decision making when you're, oops, where's that put it? Put it at the bottom. Decision making when you're depressed. We want to increase that size. Free checklist. How to make good decisions after depression, anxiety have clouded your judgment. So this kind of thing people would want to sign up for. Got name, email, grab your free copy. So I've got that there. That's a bit too small. Whoops, too big. Wait. I'm not sure I like the type. Font family, let's choose a font family. Not sure I like the background image. Thinking. Let's use this one.